Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel YO22 2022 Excel Chapter 4 Prepare SPA Cell. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So assignment title is YO22 Excel Chapter 4 Prepares SPA Sales. We move to the main project step is step number 1. So step number 1 is a start Excel download and open the file name. Excel chapter 4 prepare SPA sales creator has automatically added you last time to the beginning of the file name and save the files to the location where you storing. Go to the Excel worksheets. So I have already downloaded the Excel worksheets. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is on the table use worksheets add the data labels to pie charts to show only percentage of the each section and apply the chart style 3 to the charts. Go to the table use worksheets, go to the Excel worksheets and go to the table use worksheets. Add the data labels, show only percentage and go to the Excel worksheet and select the data labels data label and apply the only percentage only apply the only percentage and remove the value and show leader lines. And next is the apply the chart style 3. So apply the chart style 3, go to the chart design tabs and apply the chart style 3. So question number 2 is complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is on the table use worksheets, move the pie charts to the new chart sheet name is table use charts. On the table use worksheets, enter the 13s in a cell B6. View the changes on the table use chart worksheets. On the table use worksheets, go to the table use worksheets and move the pie chart sheets to the new sheet name is table use charts. So copy the chart sheet name, right clicks and click the move the new chart sheet name is to the table use charts, click OK. On the table use worksheets, enter the 13 in the cell B6. View the changes on the table use chart worksheet. So select the table use chart worksheets and select the cell B6. Cell is B6 and type the 13. Press enter. So question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is on the product data worksheets, create the cluster column charts using the data in the cell range A2 to B12. Move the charts. A new chart sheet name is total message charts. On the products data worksheets, so select the product data worksheets. Create the cluster column charts using the data in a cell range A2 to B12. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter and create the cluster column charts. So go to the insert tabs and go to the recommended charts, click the alt chart and create the cluster column charts, click OK. Next is move the charts to the new charts sheet name is to the total message charts. So copy the chart sheet name, right clicks and click the move charts and new sheet name is to the total message charts, click OK. Question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is Next, you will create the simple pie charts that show the proportion of total revenue each of a four different message type earned of the SPA in the month of June. On the revenue worksheets, create the pie charts using the data in a cell range A1 to E2. Move and resize the charts so that the top left corner in cell I3 and the bottom right corner in the cell O17. On the revenue worksheets, go to the revenue worksheets and create the pie charts using the range data cell ranges A1 to E2. Copy the range and paste the range, press enter button and insert the create the pie charts. Go to the insert tabs and go to the charts groups, click the pie charts and move and resize the charts top left corner in the cell I3, bottom corner in the cell O17. So move and drag the charts I3 and corner is to O17. So question number 5 is the complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is on the revenue worksheets. Go to the revenue worksheets and create the line chart using the data cell range A4 to E35. Move and resize the charts so that the top left corner in a cell I20 and the bottom right corner in a cell O34. Enter the charts title to the January revenue by the message type. On the revenue worksheets, go to the revenue worksheets and create the line charts using the data range cell A4 to E35. Copy the range and paste the range, press enter button. Create the line chart using the data range. So insert the line charts, go to the insert tabs, go to the recommended charts, click the line charts, insert the create the line charts, click OK and move the resize chart so that's left corner in the cell I20. Move the charts in the cell I20, I20 to left corners, top left corner in cell I20 and right corner is O34. Right corner is O34. And next is enter the chart title to the January revenue by the message type. So copy the chart title and paste the chart title to the January revenue message by type. Question number 6 is complete and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is on the redesign projects worksheets, create the stack bar charts using the data in the cell range A3 to A8 and C3 to D8. Move the charts so that the top left corner in the cell A10. Enter the chart title project redesign status. On the redesign project worksheets, go to the redesign project worksheets and create the stack bar charts using the range A3 to A8. Copy the range and paste the range, press enter button. Next is the C3 to D8. D8, select the range and create the stack bar charts. So go to the insert tabs and go to the recommended charts, the all charts and apply the stack bars charts and apply the stack bar charts. Click OK. Move the chart so that the top left corner in the cell A10. Move and drag the charts in the cell A10. Enter the chart's title to the project redesign status. So copy the chart title and paste the chart title to the project redesign status. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is on the survey worksheets, create the scatter chart using the data in a cell range A2 to B53. Move but do not resize the charts so that the top left corner in the cell F2. Enter the chart title, desired room temperature by the edges. On the survey worksheets, go to the survey worksheets and create the scatter charts. So copy the range A2 to B53, paste the range, press enter button and create the scatter charts. Go to the insert tabs and go to the recommended charts. Click the R charts. So insert the scatter charts. Insert the scatter charts. Click OK. And top left corner, move the charts top left corner in the cell F2. So go to the F2, move the charts and enter the charts title to the desired room temperature by the age. So copy the chart title and paste the chart title. So question number 8 is a complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is on the product data worksheets and create the stack area charts using the data cell range A60 to I20. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter button. Go to the product data worksheets. Go to the product data worksheets and create the stack area charts A60 to I20. Go to the insert tabs. Go to the recommended charts, click the R charts and pair the scatter charts. Create the stack area charts. Create the stack area charts. So insert the stacked area charts. So insert the stacked area. Select the area and insert the area and stacked area charts. Click OK. Insert the stacked area charts and move the resize chart so that the top left corner in the cell D2 and bottom right corner in the cell I12. Move and drag the charts in the D2 D2 and bottom right corner in the cell I12. Cell I12. Y12. Next is the enter the chart title message type over 8-week period. So copy the title and paste the title message type over 8-week period. So question number 9 is the complete. So question number 9 is complete and we can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is on the SPA sales worksheets create the cluster column line on a secondary axis combo charts using the data in a cell range A2 to C30. Enter the chart title profit by the quantity source on the SPA sale worksheets. So display the all worksheets, the SPA sale worksheets, and create the cluster column line on a secondary axis combo charts. So copy the range A2 to C30, paste the range, press enter, and insert the cluster column line on a secondary axis to the combo charts. Go to the page, go to the insert tabs, click the recommended charts or charts and go to the combo charts. Line on a cluster column line on a secondary axis, click OK. And enter the chart title to the profit by the quantity source. Copy the chart title and paste the chart title. Question number 10 is the complete. We can move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is on the SPA sale worksheets in the cell A14 type the December, in the cell B14 type the 178 and the C40 is type the 1900 months. So copy the Decembers in the cell and paste the in the cell A14 SPA sale worksheets and paste the A14 December, press enter, and B14 is 178. B14 paste the 178. Next is copy the value and paste the cell C40. Press enter. So question number 11 is the complete. We can move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is on the SPA worksheets, adjust the data, use the create the charts, include the data, enter in the cell A40 to C40 and change the charts type profit data series to an area charts and apply the chart style 6 and apply the quick layouts 9. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter, and change the charts type to the profit data series to the and go to the insert tabs and click the recommended charts and common charts line on secondary, click OK. So insert the charts and apply the chart style 6. Apply the chart style 6. Next is apply the quick layouts 9. Notice apply the 9. Question number 12 is a complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.